What is up, fam? Today, Judah's coming over. We are doing something a little different. We're going to, it's called Higher Grounds. It's a bouldering or rock climbing gym. We're going to do that, grab some food, and then come back here, and we have some goodie bags we're putting together for our trip to Moab. We're heading out, 4 of us. We're heading out to Moab the end of the month here in September. This won't come out until the day after we leave, though. So when you're seeing this, we are on our way to Moab. Don't want to ruin the surprise for the guys of all the goodies we got them. We planned this trip months ago, booked everything. We're getting super stoked. It's going to be me, Judah, Kyle, and Tyler. They've all been on here before riding with us. We're going to throw these together, go do some rock climbing, and get some dinner. Now we just wait till Judah gets here. We made it out to Higher Grounds. We were worse at climbing than we remembered. But bouldering is supposed to be good for arm pump. Strengthen up those forearms. And hopefully we won't be as sore riding down some of that chunk in Moab. They're like ballet shoes. Yeah, we are.
I have to measure again to remember, sometimes I forget.
I just keep barely not getting it. Apparently Judah and I aren't good enough friends for him to be able to pee in front of me. He had a shy bladder.
I have a sharp bladder.
He's feeling confident now.
Now the camera's rolling. Okay, I feel it coming. Oh, it went back. Okay, camera on.
Hey! He did it.
I did it.
Back from dinner and climbing. Time to make our dope ass goodie bags. So we got 4 different color bags.
Whose idea was it?
I don't remember. One of
Is
ours.
it your idea?
I think it was mine. We've got some chamois cream to help with chafing. You can either put it directly in your thighs or you can put it on your chamois. Some CO2. Some tubeless
Butt plugs.
tire repair. Yes. Puncture plugs. Cigar cutters. Cycling socks with various designs. Fun sunglasses. Some tubes. And then some snacks. Some honey stinger, fruit punch, and mango orange. Some quick blocks, energy chews, and some Lara bars. These sweet little Park Tool bottle openers. Cigars.
What do you say those were? Vanilla and exotic fruit or
No, they were
some kind of.
crap.
It was something. It's something vanilla.
No, peach
Peach.
and some liquor.
Yeah.
Peach and some liquor. I forget. Dang it. Probably says in here. Natural exotic fruit and bourbon vanilla.
Bourbon vanilla. Yeah. But it was
So
peach.
these ones are, Georgia peaches and
Yeah.
I guess other fruit. A splash of Hawaiian honey is added for its tropical essence. A well-rounded extract is gently misted into a blend of mild Dominican tobaccos and finished with a grade 1 Cameroon wrapper.
They're gonna love this.
Huh?
I said they're gonna love this.
I know.
I'm not expecting it.
It's gonna be so sweet. Give it
When
to
are we
them.
gonna give the morning of? Or
I don't know if we'll do it then or when we get to Moab.
No, when are you?
Getting to Moab, I feel like is better, but I also don't want to wait.
Yeah, that's part of it, like not wanting to wait, but I guess that would be, I could see it being like, hey, all right, guys, like when we get inside, like, gather around, welcome to Moab. These are your goodie bags for the
Thanks for
trip.
the week.
Who gets the GoPro?
That's mine.
Hold on. Who do you think's Kyle and who's Tyler? I was thinking, I don't know. I think the dark blue is more Tyler, but
You think so? Grab a trash bag. Oh no.
here's the bathroom.
There's a couple extras, so we're gonna go test them out.
It's done already.
Come on, Tubby. Do something.
Alrighty, well, I'll see you whenever. Thanks for watching. We're super stoked about this trip, as you can tell. Buying gifts and goodie bags for all the guys. This trip will be coming soon, so stay tuned. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell so you know when those videos come out. And I'll see you next time.